Welcome back again. This video is gonna be about how to find quizzes for your website. Luckily, there is plenty of different sources where you can get high quality quizzes for your website. There are two sites I recommend you to use, and they are very popular when it comes to quizzes. And if you haven't heard of these websites before, you must be living under a rock for sure. The first website is playbuzz.com. Playbuzz is an excellent site offering plenty of quizzes from a wide set of categories: love, astrological, age, personality quizzes, you name it. Here on the right you see the top 10 quizzes. So a lot of different quizzes to choose from. Let's take a look at one of these top quizzes. What is the astrological sign of your soulmate? Click on that. This is the quiz description. Will you end up with a sexy Scorpio or an adventurous Sagittarius? If you click this blue button right here, you start playing the quiz. At the top here, it's made of 7 questions. The first one is, what word would best describe you? Honest. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Building my career. And you move on to the next question, and so on until you complete all the 7 questions. And finally, they give you the result based on the answers you provided. So we're not going to use all the 7 questions and answers. I'll just pick 3 and copy paste them in my website. If you want to add more, it's up to you. I'll just stick with 3 to 4 questions and answers. The next website is BuzzFeed Quizzes. I'm pretty sure you know what BuzzFeed is. It's one of the largest viral websites on the internet with over 150 million visits a month. And the most used section of the website is quizzes. So go to the top and click on quizzes. As you can see, they offer a lot of quizzes in multiple categories. Can we guess? Disney, food, love, trivia, all different types of quizzes you can imagine. If you keep scrolling, new quizzes come up. So literally endless number of quizzes to choose from. Here on the right we have trending quizzes with the highest amount of engagement and rating. Let's click one of these. The same thing, questions and answers. For me, I do not use BuzzFeed a lot because it seems so overwhelming compared to Playbuzz. The quizzes are clear and simple. So what you have to do now is browse these quizzes and make a list of the ones you may think they will go viral. Another tip for you is to start with the popular or trendy quizzes on the website because they show a higher amount of engagement. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to start your first quiz, how to edit the website content, add questions and answers, how to change the colors of the website, the text, the tool I use to create beautiful photos for my quizzes, and a lot of different stuff. See you there.